Hi everybody, and welcome to the final segment of our Lenten video series. We've entered now into Holy Week. This is the most sacred time of our church year. On Thursday, we begin the sacred Paschal Triduum that goes from the start of the evening Mass, the Lord's Supper, into the praying of evening prayer on Easter Sunday. In these 3 days, the Church immerses herself into the dying and the rising of Christ. One of the parts of the liturgy on Holy Thursday is the mandatum, the washing of the feet. As I have done, so also must you do. The priest washes the feet of his parishioners. For me, really is one of the most profound things I do as a priest each year, that I get down and I wash the feet of the people who have been entrusted to my care. I often am brought to tears actually looking at the faces as I wash their feet and I kiss their feet, and then I say them the words of Christ. So as I have done, so also must you do. Isn't that really at the heart of discipleship? To do as Christ has done? I think the Triduum really puts us in touch with this call to the discipleship that we have, to serve as Christ did. We're talking a lot these days in the parish about intentional discipleship. At the very heart of that is falling in love with Christ so much that we have no choice but to follow him in a very intentional way. We're going to see in these days to come how Jesus washes feet of his apostles, how he gives us the gift of Eucharist, how he dies on the cross, and we'll come forward and kiss that cross of Christ. We'll begin around the great Easter fire, where the light of this fire breaks the darkness of night, and that Easter candle is carried triumphantly into the church, and Christ is proclaimed as our light. Witness the new life of the elect through the saving waters of baptism and the outpouring of the Spirit at confirmation. All of these things will reveal to us the person of Jesus Christ. But really think about the heart of Christ. It was service, to give his life for ours, to call us to do the same. I really hope that this video series has helped you to grow in your faith, to return to the basics, to get back in touch with what's important in life, but also maybe a call to go deeper in your life. Don't let this be the end. Go deeper. Join us on this journey of discipleship, this journey really to the heart of Christ. That's what we're trying to do with all of this. I hope it's been of help to you. I really want to encourage you to come to the Triduum. Make the days special. And take it a step further as well, to come to Mass every week, to be with us here in the midst of this community. So the question for this week is, how can we do as Christ has done? Remember those words that he said to his apostles, washing their feet, as I have done, so also must you do. So I really invite you to think about that question this week, is how can we better place ourselves at the service of others? I thank you for watching this series. I hope it's been helpful to you. And please join us as we enter really into the heart of Christ through the sacred Paschal Triduum.